In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Notion AI account password. First, I start by opening up my browser, navigating to Google, and typing the word Notion into the search bar. I hit enter, and from the search results, I click on the official link that reads Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. This brings me directly to the main Notion homepage. Once the website completely loads, I click on the Login link to proceed to the next step. This takes me straight to the sign-in page where Notion asks for my email address. I click into the provided text field and carefully type in my email address. Once that is done, I click on the blue Continue button right below the text box. At this point, Notion prompts me for a verification code. The screen lets me know that they have securely sent a temporary login code directly to my inbox. So I open up a new tab and switch over to my Gmail account. Right at the top of my primary inbox, I spot a new email from the Notion team with the subject line, "Your temporary Notion login code." I click to open up this email. Inside the message, I can clearly see the specific login code they provided for me. I highlight the text of the code, right-click, and select Copy. I then switch my browser tab back over to the Notion login page. I click into the empty verification code box and paste the code I just copied. Then I click the blue Continue button. Alternatively, for an even faster method, I can navigate back to that exact same email and simply click the large blue button that says, Sign in with magic link located right under the code. Either way, the page loads for a few seconds and I am brought directly into my workspace, completely logged in. And that's it. That's how you reset your Notion AI account password